This is a mini tutorial on how to create the collar. We have this is the front panels, this and this is the back, and these are the sleeves. So when you are joining the panel to the back, instead of joining everything all the way here and there, instead of joining everything, you stop and leave you leave out a few inches, just like I did. This will allow the collar to have enough space to fall back. So when you leave this space, you then go ahead and start crocheting your collar from here all the way around and stop here. So you do this until you get to your required length. I like to make about 10 rows, but let's see how many rows. So I already made I think 2 rows of single crochet around the edges for the 2 sides, but I'm going to add more because it's not enough. I want it to be more than this. So let's start. Like I said, I already made I think 2 rows of single crochet, so I'm not going to start from here. I'm going to start from here. Yeah, this is the beginning of the panel, not this single crochet that I made before. So on a normal note, you should have done this collar before making this single crochet, before even adding your buttons. So I'll be making half double crochet in each and every stitch till I get to the other side. Yeah, half double crochet. We're now approaching the end of the row. I just did and this left. Remember, we're not crocheting on the, just pretend as if they're not there, because so that you don't get confused. It should not be there yet. and this is our last stitch. Chain 2 on your work, and we start second row. So go back and work it all the way to where we started here, and you keep going and going until you have enough length for the collar. We're now almost at the end of the second round. Chain 2, start the third round. Into the very first stitch. Continue with your half double crochet until the end of the round. So I have made 10 rows of half double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's check. It's amazing how you love me. See, this is what it looks like, and I think this is long enough, so I'm going to stop here. Because of the collar I did before that I did not like, I arranged this button according to that collar, but now I think this one should be here, and this one should be somewhere here, and so on and so forth. But this works too. I just feel it can be better, so I'm going to add more rows to this, more rows of single crochet to this. All right, so let's do that. I insert my hook. Make one single crochet in each and every stitch until you get to the end of the row. It's starting to look like what I want, so I might just add maybe 1 or 2 more rows, and this will be enough. So for you that are just starting your own single crochet, you are going to do a total of 6, or the best way is you just measure it. This thing should be like the thing here should be a total of 1 to 2 inches, 1.5 or 2. That works. So you can choose any one you like. for your project. So you keep going till you get here. That's the end of the row. This is what I have. It looks like this. You can button this place and have this. That's why I'm thinking that maybe I should remove the buttons. Maybe I should reposition the buttons so that this can be like this. But this is the result and I love it so much. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and if there's something else you want me to teach you how to do, put it in the comments.